Everyone's terrified of starting a glamping site at the start. There's lots and lots of factors here. But that's okay. At GlampLaunch, we have a 5-step framework that helps get you from initial idea to pods on site and then marketing and booking support. So we actually offer you a full 5-step framework that helps you do everything. Everyone's terrified to start, and that's normal and that's okay, but we take that stress off you with our framework.
Taylor, I got a quick one off the cuff for you.
Yes.
Do I need planning for my glamp site?
Yes, more than likely. There's a couple of different options. You might be able to get an exemption certificate, which is fast-tracked, which is amazing. If not, you might need outline planning or you might need full planning. The only way to truly know this is by getting a feasibility study, which will literally determine what planning application you'll need to have. And at GlampLaunch, we offer feasibility studies. So if you want to learn more about starting a glamping site and you want to know what type of planning you'll need, you need to speak to an expert, and that's what we do. Launching a glamping site should not feel like a free fall. At GlampLaunch, we offer a feasibility study to help you get your planning permission secured. We sell you the pods, and then we also help you market your site, okay? Which means we help you at every single stage of the process, which is what our 5-step GlampLaunch framework does. We help you do everything that you need to get guests in the door, right from the very word go whenever you need your planning permission approved. Launching with GlampLaunch is not a free fall. It's a structured plan to help you get from idea to dream glamping site. If you want to overpay for your glamping pods, then you should not buy from GlampLaunch, because we sell factory direct prices, which means we pass our discounts on to you. This used to just be a pub, but now it's a bustling glamping resort. So what we have here now is we have a situation where the guests can come, they can have a pint, they can get their dinner, and then they can just troops up here and stay in one of these beautiful bespoke pods. We don't want to just sell you the pods, we want to help you actually bring your vision to life. And that's what we've done here at the Crown at Pantygelli, and that's what we hope we can do for you too.
Every time that people book directly with us, they get a £20 dining voucher. So that has a symbiotic relationship with how the restaurant runs as well. Extra bums on seats means more staffing potential, more growth overall. So now we're expanding into weddings because of the organic growth that we're getting from the lodges that have been installed.
So here we are, we're on site at Frensham Heights. So would you recommend GlampLaunch to any other private schools or any public sector schools for something like this here, similar to what you have yourselves?
Yeah, 100%. I think the beauty of it is it's a really flexible space. We did chat earlier on, didn't we, about it, and it being really flexible, and the beauty is you can make it as bespoke as you want. You design the inside piece of it. So yeah, 100%. And I know we're going to talk to you again and looking at other options around our site for different uses, not just a library, but other versions of it. So yeah, very much so.
Yeah, and that's exactly it. I mean, like we talked about earlier as well, we have another client, another private school who we're doing music pods for.
Yeah.
So it's really interesting for us too that we can turn the same structure into either a library pod or a pod for music as well. So it's really interesting how versatile it is.
Yeah, really great for schools. It could be a learning space in so many different guises. So yeah, I love the versatility of it. Yeah, definitely recommend it.
One of the things that makes our pods different is the fact that everything is designed based on exactly what the client needs. Nothing that we sell or retail is off the shelf. Everything we do is bespoke. This is such a unique project because it shows our versatility and it shows what we're actually capable of doing outside of our traditional glamping pods.
Taylor, give us some more about why your clients trust you like they do.
Well, I'm the founder of GlampLaunch, and I'm on the front end of the company. I take the sales calls, I talk to you, I message you on WhatsApp. Everyone we deal with has my personal WhatsApp number. And because I'm the founder of the business and I deal with you directly, it means that my best interests are your best interests as well. Because if you're successful and you have a good experience with GlampLaunch, then it benefits me as well. So, you know, I'm not some salesman who wants to just sell pods. It's in my best interest to help you as best as possible. So clients understand that, and because that's how we operate, then people trust us naturally.